Welcome to Manila, the bustling capital of the Philippines. Today, let's take a break from the usual tourist traps and go on a walking tour that's off the beaten path. We'll start the day and make our way to Escalta Street, historic avenue that used to be the center of Manila's commercial district in the early 20th century. We'll take a leisurely stroll and admire the beautiful architecture of the old buildings, some of which date back to the Spanish colonial era. After that, we'll make our way to Chinatown, one of Manila's oldest and most vibrant districts. We'll explore the narrow streets and alleys lined with shops and stalls selling all kinds of goods, from exotic fruits to traditional Chinese medicines. For lunch, we'll head to Binondo, another neighborhood in Manila's Chinatown, and try some of the best street food in the city. From dumplings and sayapeo to barbecue and noodles, we'll have a feast fit for a king, or queen. In the afternoon, we'll visit Intramuros, the walled city within Manila that was built by the Spanish in the 16th century. We'll walk along the walls and explore the various landmarks and attractions within, such as Fort Santiago, Casa Manila, and San Agustin Church. We'll also take a traditional horse-drawn carriage ride called a kalisa, which will give us a unique perspective of the city. To cap off the day, we'll head to the Baywalk, a scenic promenade along Manila Bay that's perfect for a relaxing stroll and watch the sunset over the water and enjoy the cool sea breeze. We'll end our day with a sumptuous meal at the infamous The Aristocrat, dining with locals before heading back to our hotel, tired but happy from a day well spent exploring Manila's hidden gems.